Oh, look at the other two are up there high.
Oh, there's two of them.
Oh.
Oh, they're gonna crash on us. We better fucking hurry up and crash and get out of here.
Better figure out our shit. Oh my God.
We
will all need definite drinks.
Hang
on. Hang on. Hey, okay, pay attention.
Okay. All right, get ready.
Doing about 8 to 9 miles an hour, so we're gonna.
Is that you?
Hold on to
All
the
right,
rope.
guys.
Hold on to the rope. Your butt's against you.
I love you. I really love you guys. And please say that. Say hi to my family.
Take care of our dog.
Holy shit.
Oh my God, we're in a backyard.
Better a backyard than.
Ah, there's that guy. He's gonna catch us.
Help!
On the rocks.
Oh my God. Shit, there's a rock coming right at us. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh, shit.
You're okay.
We got it. We got it. We got it. We're in. We're in. We're in.
Go over it.
Okay.
You guys are alright. Don't worry about it. How you guys doing?
What a time for my little leg to
How
cramp.
you guys doing?
Put your hand out.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
How you guys doing? It's okay.
Oh my God. I always spend my Wednesday.
It's always awkward when I say hi to people like this. You know, it's.
Now is not the time to get sick.